This video is recorded in a live range by certified instructors in a controlled environment.
It's by accident.
What up, gun havers? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a subscriber, salute you, shooter. We in here at Miami Guns. Today we completed that basic pistol firearms course today. And one thing I just want to bring your attention, as a certified instructor, you know, we work with a lot of different people. And today our student had somewhat of a disability. So it was a veteran. All right. But the main thing I want to bring to you is that the dynamic of shooter is going to be totally different in a lot of different places. All right. I want to get you to understanding that shooters can look like you and I, can look like anyone. Shooters can be from any ethnicity, any background, you know, any sex, anything, male, female. A shooter is a shooter. All right. So I just want you to take that into consideration. Make sure you're still training. Make sure you're doing everything you got to do when it comes into not being careless with your firearm. And also, you don't want lack of knowledge. All right. You don't want to be ignorant to the firearm world. If you see one, you want to be able to know how to render it safe for you, how to clear it, and that kind of thing. All right. You want to see me again? Bring that ass back. You got the highlights. We're going to do things a little different today, and we're going to focus on trigger control. Trigger control is the proper method of activating the trigger to minimize movement that can misalign the sights. If you don't press the trigger right, you may not be on target. The trigger is between the fingertip and the first joint of index finger. The trigger is squeezed straight rearward in a smooth, continuous movement. The trigger squeeze should produce a surprise break. The trigger squeeze and sight alignment are done while maintaining minimal arc of movement. What's arc of movement? Arc of movement refers to the unavoidable motion of a pistol held in a shooting position. How do you fix it? It's only one way. Practice decreases the arc of movement. Here's a drill I want you to do. It's a trigger control skill drill. With an empty pistol, balance a quarter on your front sight. Use a two-hand hold, arms extended as if you were aiming to shoot, and activate the trigger without dropping the quarter. Here's an example. And this is what it should look like. All right, shooter. Fire when ready. Good job. What we take away from today? What did you like about the class today? Who knows more than what they knew when they first came? Let me see if show of hands. Okay. We like that. What's some ways we could improve the course? Anybody. That's all. A little more shooting? Okay. Alright. So with that in mind, what I like to tell y'all about is our black course. Alright? The black course is no class. All shooting. We come in here, it's $65. We come in here, it gives you 50 rounds and not 15. You get 50 rounds and we all accuracy. From the point we walk in to the point we done with ammo. Alright? So you could book me for that, you could get back with me. And like I said, at 65, your ammo comes in and your time, and that's your black course, your accuracy training. And that's what I like to let y'all know about in terms of that. So overall, everybody did great. Everybody did great. I could see improvement from the first shot to the second shot. Each shot I can see
Mire, muchacho, ¿no es verdad?
improvement, which is a great thing.
Muchacho, eso se ve ahí en un rato. Mi historia no 15 minutos y llego, ¿oíste?
Let me close this on now. All right. I'm finna finish up here. I gotta do the paperwork in the back.
Sí,
For this, so. One time for my gun havers, and if you're a subscriber to the channel, you've been back, all that kind of good stuff. I salute you, shooter. See you next time.